time is it? I don't even know. No watch on. We're on island time. We just made it to Wailea Beach.
Mm-hmm.
We about to rip.
Fuck
We
yeah.
about to rip.
We're about to kill it. Let's go this way.
Rip.
All right, before we go out there, we're just gonna, you know. Baby, let's do this.
Oh god, I'm terrible at this game.
Come on,
Blowing it,
for
dude.
the film, dude.
Dude, I'm blowing it.
Ah! Boom.
Won that one.
Bango. All right. The best thing about Mike Strand is that he's just ready to go anytime we're ready. Boom. We're gonna go out and chase some whales, get lucky, hopefully, and sun's out, fun's out, obviously.
Oh yeah.
What's the strategy here, man?
Fail.
No.
No, it's loop around.
Loop around.
Mm-hmm.
Until he says no, then you.
Okay. Team one. Team one.
Not full strap down yet.
Straps in the
Wow, I don't want to fully strap you yet.
That is not ocean safe.
I know. I was just.
Are we trying to die, Jamil?
Buns out.
Let's do it.
What, Mike? You get high, dude. It's a little bit choppy this morning. We have some texture on the water. Morning sickness. We make do. We make do. The whales are out no matter what. Here we go. We're doing it.
Ew! I did it.
Right, so we just paddled out about maybe half a mile, maybe anywhere from a quarter mile to half mile. Now it's just a waiting game.
fucking whale. It's fucking crazy. Kind of freaking out right now.